This is Dr. Humera, your AI and data mentor. Let me share a real experience that completely reshaped how I think about data cleaning. Early in my career, I was leading a team of analysts responsible for evaluating data quality. The primary task of the team was to review the data generated by the system in response to the incoming user input. To do this, we were extracting samples from the data for evaluations. We started off with Germany, then moved to the data from the US, the UK, and France. Everything seemed to be working fine until Greece came in. Strangely, when we tried to extract a sample from the Greek dataset, what we got was nothing. Absolutely nothing. This was a surprise. We knew users in Greece were using the product and we knew data was there. After digging deeper, I found the issue. The sampling script wasn't properly handling non English characters. Things like Greek letters, umlauts, and accented characters were ignored. We had not noticed this earlier because German and French data still contained mostly English characters, with just a few special ones here and there. So the bug silently passed through. But Greek, written entirely in a different alphabet, exposed the flaw. Our sampling method was quietly discarding anything it could not read. That experience taught me an important lesson. Be extremely cautious about what you are discarding when cleaning or sampling data. Sometimes what looks like noise or irrelevance is actually a blind spot in your tooling or assumption. While working with data, throwing away information too early or too casually can distort your entire understanding of the system. Always pause, question, and understand why something is missing before you decide it doesn't matter.